popular question is, if I'm getting stronger in the gym, will I lose body fat? 33% of you said yes. 58% of you said depends. Let's recap really quick though. Remember, this spring I went down from 20% to 16.5%. Now that my fall 6-week challenge is over, I am now down into the 15%. Also, check out these badass results that my women got. Belly fat lost like this and weight loss like this. So let's get you the results that you're looking for by answering this popular question. Here are some simplified reasons why you're getting the results that you're getting. Let's say that you're eating at a maintenance or potentially even surplus. You're eating a high protein diet, plus you're lifting. You're going to get stronger. You're going to maintain or put on a little bit of muscle mass depending on that calorie range. And you may potentially put on a little bit of body fat again depending on your surplus. Now, if you don't want to put on that body fat while feeling good in the gym, you're going to eat in a calorie deficit. You're going to keep your protein high and you're going to lift. This is what's going to happen when you do that. You're going to lose body fat because you're in a calorie deficit. You're going to recover faster because you are eating a high protein diet. You're going to maintain or lose just a tiny little bit of muscle mass because you're eating in a deficit, but your high protein diet and your lifting will help combat that. And you potentially may lose or maintain your strength, but most likely you're not going to get a lot stronger because you're eating less calories than what your body needs. One thing that you can do to combat losing your strength though is surrounding your workout with food. So that way you have the energy when you go into the gym to give that workout your best.